Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what many consider to be the best fragrance-free laundry detergent pods on the market. Tide PODS Free and Gentle. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews on household products. Tide PODS Free and Gentle are renowned for their hypoallergenic formula, making them perfect for those with sensitive skin. They're dermatologist-tested and completely free of dyes and perfumes. These pods are designed not just as a detergent but also as a stain remover and color protector, providing a 3-in-1 cleaning action. Let's talk performance. Each pod is tailored for different load sizes. 1 pod for regular loads, 2 for large loads, and 3 for extra large loads. They dissolve quickly in both hot and cold water, ensuring effective cleaning regardless of your wash settings. Users often praise Tide PODS Free and Gentle for their effectiveness in cleaning tough stains while being gentle on skin. They leave clothes feeling soft and fresh without the irritation that can come from added fragrances. Fragrance-free detergents are crucial for anyone with sensitive skin or allergies. They eliminate the risk of skin irritation or allergic reactions that can be triggered by artificial fragrances. Tide PODS Free and Gentle also come with a sustainability feature, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. They're designed to dissolve completely in water, minimizing environmental impact compared to traditional liquid detergents. As with any laundry product, it's important to keep Tide PODS out of reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. Always store them securely and follow safety guidelines. In conclusion, Tide PODS Free and Gentle live up to their reputation as the best fragrance-free laundry detergent pods available today. They combine effective cleaning power with a gentle touch, making them a top choice for families and individuals alike. If you've used Tide PODS Free and Gentle, let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking for a fragrance-free laundry solution. That's all for today's review. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more unbiased product critiques from our channel. Until next time, take care and keep those clothes clean and fresh.